Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the current challenges which customers and businesses in India related to service industries like loan, insurance, banking, etc. are facing, which Legend Call solution will resolve effectively. You may be working in private job, government job, or may have your own business, and I am pretty sure that you face this issue on daily basis. Doesn't matter if you are a customer or service provider. Friends, you may have observed that if you purchase any insurance policy or take personal loan or home loan or any other service, then you keep getting calls on regular basis from loan or insurance agencies to buy these services again even when you don't need them. You get these unwanted calls on daily basis, and I'm sure that you are tired of blocking number of these call center agents, but you still get these calls. They call you several times in a day and you keep urging them to block your number, but they still call you because there is no such shared software intelligence available with these service providers which gives insight to them who is the real customer looking for their services. Friends, we know that we have installed various mobile apps to get rid of these spam calls, but they always come up with some new number, and we believe in Legend Call that blocking number of these agents is not the solution. Problem is that these service providers are looking for new business by calling you because they don't know who is the right customer for their business, who is looking for their services. And most of these mobile apps who claim to save you from these unwanted calls are ineffective in fixing this issue. Friends, we can't blame these selling agencies for these unwanted calls, as by nature business wants to grow their business, sell more services, make profit and earn money, and that's how the economy works. However, problem is that these selling agencies don't know who are the right customer at any given point of time, so that they only call the customer who is looking for their services and keep uninterested customer in do not disturb zone. Friends, on the other hand, we as a customer don't get all the available options in the market when we need these services. For example, we are looking for a personal loan, we reach out to our known selling agent via phone, or we may go online to compare available offers from multiple service providers on popular websites. But as you know, available options on these websites are mostly fabricated with high margin included. That means we as a customer never gets the best deal for that service, which might be available in the market, but we don't know who is the service provider offering that service with best discount. Also friends, you may have noticed that these online comparison websites ask for your personal sensitive informations like PAN number, debit card, credit card, home address, etc., which we know can be misused easily. Recently we have seen increase in the cases of online fraud, which happens because we are sharing our sensitive personal information across all these websites or search engine without knowing the impact. Most of the search engine websites are selling our personal sensitive data to companies who used to call us on daily basis to buy their products even when we don't need them. Friends, we all know these are the known challenges to customer and to the service provider in India, but question is, what is the solution for all these problems? That's what we are going to explore in our next video, as how Legend Call resolve these issues with a cloud-based software solution available to all these service providers in India dealing around loan, insurance, banking, travel, property and event management. The solution will create such an ecosystem in India that no call center or selling agency will call any customer unnecessarily until that customer is not looking for any of these given services, and once service is taken, that customer will go back into do not disturb zone. Thank you for watching.